Boost your metabolism, burn more calories. Expert tips for fast weight loss. There are several ways to increase your metabolism, which is the process by which your body converts food into energy. Here are a few strategies that may help boost your metabolism. Eat enough protein. Protein requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fat, so including protein-rich foods in your diet may help increase your metabolism. Build muscle. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, so increasing muscle mass may help boost metabolism. Strength training exercises, such as lifting weights or resistance bands, can help build muscle mass. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water may help increase your metabolism, as your body needs the energy to warm the water to body temperature. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Stay active. Regular physical activity can help increase your metabolism. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity weekly exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling. It's important to note that individual metabolism varies, and many factors, including genetics, age, and hormonal imbalances, can affect metabolism. Please consult an experienced weight loss coach like myself for personalized advice and guidance. You can find contact information below if you are interested in losing weight under the direction of an experienced weight loss coach. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment.